everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, today matter na about this boys wey beat that girl. They don finally catch them, oh, my darling people. Una need to see the way they take deal with them, oh. Not be small thing, my darling people. I go put the video, may una see am. Not be small thing, oh, my darling people. I not feel happy as they catch those boys, because wetin they do the girl, it too much. Like seriously, they beat the girl too much. The beating was too much. Like seriously, they not they beat person like that. Like seriously, the thing really shocked me. I beg, when I use this one now, take get sense. Una don see all those boys wey be say they caught. Una don see say they not they like, maybe say you go dey use their logo. I beg, especially you wey be girl wey be say you don't fair go they do this kind thing, and you see be young girl wey never marry. Because these guys now, I believe say one of them told this girl, now in this girl take go for VT. So you understand? So my ogbonge people, I beg, I use God take beg una. Make una they run for all those kind boys. Not even date themselves. Not date them. Because I hear say if you even see they date them, if you see leave, then a problem. If you not date, then a problem. If you see date, then a problem. So, my dear people, I beg. I use God name to beg una. Mo na run for una life. Mo na run for all those kind boys. These boys, they very wicked. Like seriously, they very wicked. I not feel happy say they catch them all. I not feel happy, my darling people. I go put the video now. May una watch. Then una will leave una comment for the comment section. Anything we una think. But Mona help me share this video. Mona help me share it, because wetin come dey happen this time, nobody know again. Na only God come dey save person. Thank you, my darling people. Take care. Bye.
So what's it better? No problem. Yes, I don't know why. This is a Nogi one of Deutschland. I love everybody, but if I see waiting not good, okay, can you do tear? Jama First Lady, this message is directed to you. What I want to tell you, so if you feel follow my advice, very good. If you feel follow my advice, it go good. If you not still follow, it go still good. But God knows say I don't advise you as the advice sister. Now I want to advise you so. Hey. Jama First Lady, not believe you want to be blogger. Yes. What I want to let you know be say, man, the video when you do relating to those guys when beat that girl, I'm not in support of it. I'm not in support of it. At least, therefore, yours carry king come out. Yes, I did very worried on her behalf, because Jama First Lady don't know the kind of thing which she did draw, they give herself. And I say, make her just quickly come correct her. So that, because this Facebook will they do so. I pray, I say, may everybody live long. May we they use good eye look each other. Forget all this saga. Na cruise we they use and cash. To me, na cruise me they use my own saga the cash. Jama First Lady, don't believe you want to be blogger. The rest blogger will blog this thing. They quarrel with the guys. The rest. I'm not supporting them that what they did is right. No. At least therefore just use water king, flog and small rest because now their song, they get every right to the talk who go fit singer and who not go fit singer. And not be everything we person see for social media. Not be everything when they see for social media, not be that they imitate. Not be everything when they see for social media, not be that they imitate. Okay, as that girl who can't be like that, not be only you want to be blogger, Jama First Lady. You carry this people matter, put her for head. You not stop for there. Oh. You can't still go do exactly what that girl do will make them beat that girl. Bringing problems upon yourself. You say they report their numbers because I forgot to talk to you now. The video we can't do yesterday. Say that they talk for your matter, that they send you different voice notes and all. Jama First Lady, you they insult body when it be say there are more than 50 million people. They are general, they worldwide. If you want quarrel with them small, rest as a blogger. But you can't get mad, Jama First Lady. Come if you carry a gun. You will say you want to go report person for police station. You say they report their numbers. You see, use your where for can't reply you so now I want to tell you so. You yourself, you are against the crime. You are what? Against the crime. You say you license your gun. You say na real gun, you take do what you do. What did that girl do with the Peter put? You say you can't even be proud. That girl oh now. She don't know. They still beat her put. Talk less of your own. You know say now this is the business where people they use their hand. They look for problem. Waiting you not there. Not talk say you there. No impersonate what you not be. Because waiting not involve you, not involve yourself. As my wife be now, if my wife they go where I know say not clear, or you get some kind of song where she see for TikTok, when she want mimic, I will tell my wife, honey, this song you are about to mimic is not your own, neither my own. Don't do this song for instance, I not doing. Stop. Use the remake to do this thing. You get one. Many things they TikTok when you use. Like you get one girl home. The girl was very creative. In fact, if I play the video, I'll they laugh. May I plan for now? Maybe now still laugh. Now one of my participants that come for me. You know, many things they TikTok when you go use they take cash phone. See this girl home.
Who is that sweet girl now? I'm me this. You get yash, you get breast, you get sense, you got still fat, you got sabi cook normally. You go normally.
You don't see the girl they creative. Me like the song. You think they make with it?
You get yash, you get breast, you get sense, you got sabi cook. Not me. I can't me.
You know, use this kind of funny things for TikTok. Not be song where you don't know where from they come. And Jama First Lady, do you know what you did is against the law? You say you get it gone for us. The license gone for you. According to your video yesterday night, they judge you now. So you are not telling us now that because the Jama license gone for you, you are not using it now to oppress your fellow Nigerians. Eh? I thought now me they control my wife. Now me they control my wife. Now man they control your wife. My wife they control me, but it gets some point where my wife will they control me. If my woman they go boundaries as my wife, I will call my wife to order and tell my wife, only what you're about to do is wrong. Your husband will get the mad. Video you. You can't do waiting you don't know. I take home. You can't do waiting. I be saying I'm not going to talk to you. But I'm not going to